6 months ago, I was pitching ChatGPT setups for $2,000. Last week, I got a verbal yes for a $12,500 business transformation project using the exact same technology. The difference wasn't the tools, it was how I completely changed the conversation. And in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you how. If you're selling AI services and competing on price, losing deals to Indians on Upwork, or wondering why clients don't see the value, this video will change everything. I've run my agency for over a decade. We've delivered over $7 million in client work. And when AI exploded, I made the same exact mistake everyone makes. I was selling the hammer instead of the house. Let me tell you about the moment that everything clicked. I'd spent 3 days preparing for a call with a manufacturing company. They had a budget. They needed AI. Perfect fit, right? Well, 45 minutes in, I'm demoing ChatGPT features, how the API integrations work, how their CRM will connect, and showing them everything. Then silence. Thanks, but we found someone on Upwork who'll do it for $500. $500. 3 days of work, and I'm competing with someone charging $500? That's when I realized I wasn't losing because my solution wasn't good enough. I was losing because I wasn't having the right conversation. Here's the reality. ChatGPT setup, often people charge $500 to $2,000. AI tool implementation is people usually charge $1,000 to $5,000. But a business transformation usually charges $10,000 to $50,000. Same technology, completely different conversation. So what changed? Let me show you with a $12,500 deal. So the client came to me saying, we need ChatGPT for customer service. What I would have said is, in the old me, would have said, great, here's how I'll set it up for $2,000. Because it's only a day's work. The new me says, interesting. What's happening with your customer service right now? It turns out they were losing $50,000 a month in client churn because their response times were killing customer satisfaction. They didn't need a chatbot. They needed a customer retention transformation. This wasn't something a tool could fix. They needed an entire solution. So let's get in. Here's my value amplifier framework. This is exactly what I use for all of my discovery calls. The framework, V is for validate. And this is for validating the real need, ignoring the request that they came for. A is for assess the revenue impact. Find the profit leak. Where is that bleeding neck that you can really get into that's leaking the money? L is for link to business outcomes. You want to quantify your solution with dollars. U is for uncover the transformation opportunity. That is, where is the opportunity? Their problem was they were losing $50,000. The opportunity was customer retention. And then finally, E is elevate from tool to strategic solution. Now, when they're losing $50,000 a month, a $12,500 solution that fixes it is a no-brainer. Why don't I charge $50,000 for it, considering they'll make that back in 1 month? Because they don't have a guarantee on that. That's another video, because you can. So now we're going to jump into the premium positioning language. And this is where most people mess up. They avoid mentioning AI because they think most businesses don't want it. Wrong. Just last week, I talked to a $100 million law firm whose CEO said they're all in on leveraging AI. The thing is, they weren't just hiring any AI. They weren't just hiring someone on Upwork to build a ChatGPT bot. They wanted a business transformation that leverages AI. That's the kicker. So the secret here is to position AI as the enabler, not the solution. So here's some premium positioning phases for you. This is some stuff to use in your discovery calls. Instead of we'll implement AI automations, say we'll design a revenue optimization system that leverages the latest AI technologies. Instead of ChatGPT integration, say an AI-powered customer intelligence. Instead of tool training, say strategic capability, building cutting-edge technology with AI. See the difference? You're acknowledging their desire for AI while also focusing on business outcomes. Now, here's what I said in that $12,500 pitch. We'll transform your customer experiencing using advanced AI to reduce customer churn by 30%, which based on your numbers means recovering $180,000 in annual revenue. AI is mentioned, but it is not what we are selling. We're selling the how, not the what. So, the strategic discovery questions. These are some things you can take away. I want you to write them down on a pad on your desk. So next time you're doing a discovery call, you can use these questions. Now, here are the 7 discovery questions that will get you transformation conversations. 1, if we could wave a magic wand and solve one problem in your business, what would it be? Number 2, what would a 30% improvement in their, whatever the metric is, mean for your business? This could be an improvement in customer retention, improvement in sales conversion, an improvement in overall revenue. Number 3, how much is this challenge currently costing you in real dollars? Number 4, what have you already tried to solve this and why didn't it work? Number 5, if we solve this completely, what does it enable you to do next? You want to be future pacing them for the next project. If you haven't checked out my last video where I talk about taking clients on an 18-month journey and 5 to 7xing your revenue from a client, check it out. That's what that question is all about. That's how you start planting the seeds for the clients. Number 6, on a scale of 1 to 10, how urgent is solving this? What makes it a whatever the number is? Number 7, how will you measure success 90 days from now? And that is a really important question because sometimes people will say when a system is built. Sometimes people will say when they hit a metric. Sometimes if you're dealing with the middle management, people will say when my budget gets increased. So you've got to know who you're talking to and who you're selling to in the business. So here's my challenge to you. On your next discovery call, don't mention any AI specifics. You can say AI generally, but no ChatGPT, GPT-4o, Claude Opus, no technical details. Just focus on their business transformation. I guarantee you'll quote a higher price because even you talking about dollars instead of models, you yourself will be coherent when you go, hang on, I'm going to save them $180,000 a year. Why the hell am I going to quote $2,000? I literally had this on a partner call last week with one of my referral partners, and check out my referral partner video if you haven't checked it out. We have a partnership where he brings deals in. We were talking about it, we're on the call, and we were initially going to quote about $7,000 to $8,000 for the project. I messaged him, just text messaged him while we're on a Zoom call with the client and said, bump that price up because he's the one quoting in that situation because he's essentially white labeling our services. And that's the beauty of referral partnerships. I said, bump it up. We doubled the price. We got a verbal yes on that one as well. So huge impacts. Now, here's a quick example. That manufacturing company that chose the $500 chatbot, they called me back 4 months later. The chatbot had failed because they were looking for an AI solution. Now, what was my new quote? Well, I'd analyzed the problem. They had a sales speed to lead problem. They were taking 3 days to get to clients. I reverse engineered the math of a 3-day-old lead in terms of attribution and in terms of lead decay, took it to what would a 5-minute response be with an SMS bot. And I said, guys, we're going to make you an extra $700,000 this year. It's going to be $18,000 because I reverse engineered the numbers. They're considering it. It's a verbal, we need to think about it. And that sounds very appealing and makes a lot of logical sense. Let's see what we can do with that budget. Now, when you get those clients, make sure that you nurture that lead because this deal's probably going to take me 3 months to close, but it's $18,000. Now, sometimes the best deals are the ones you close first. I've got an SEO client that came to me twice over 2 years. They tried 2 different firms. When they finally came back, they're still with me 5 years later. They've spent over $180,000 with me since. So nurture your leads. So here's the thing. After a decade of running my agency, over $7 million in client work, I can tell you this, you have a choice. You can keep competing on price with every freelancer who's watched a YouTube tutorial, or you can position yourself as a strategic partner who transforms businesses. Same AI, same amount of work, 6 times the price. Now, if you want my complete strategic discovery framework, all 7 questions, the value amplifier template, and the script, and the exact pitch script that got me that $12,500 verbal yes, comment transform below, I'll put it together for you. And look, more importantly, tell me, what's the biggest deal you've lost because you focused on the tool instead of the transformation? Guys, I cannot stress this enough. Stop selling tools, stop selling AI, start selling transformations. Any questions, drop them below. I'll see you in the next video.